Famous Dave's All-Star Barbecue Series is making a stop here in El Paso.
Delicious.
You're going to get to watch as these celebrity and local pitmasters go head-to-head while they compete for the title.
Hey folks, this is Famous Dave.
I know you said there are a lot of heavy hitters out here. How do you plan to beat them?
Right here, all heart.
Now I'm going to enjoy this whole platter right here at Famous Dave's.
Who's got the best original barbecue that just sets the world on fire? Here in Las Vegas with Mike McCall from the World Food Championship.
You get to judge all of it, and I can't wait to see who wins.
LA Try Guy on all platforms, and today I am judging the Famous Dave's All-Star Barbecue Competition.
187 Barbecue. We are here in Rancho Cucamonga, Famous Dave's. We are trying out all of this food that the competitors are tuning in.
Today's winner is going to win $5,000 and a golden ticket to the World Championship in Dallas, Texas, for a grand prize of $430,000. Wait, you know when sugar caramelizes, it gets that darker color on it, man. Or you